Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create multiple wallets in your Trust Wallet app. There's no need for you to download another Trust Wallet before you can have another account on your Trust Wallet account or app. So the thing you will have to do is we are going to create another account, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do that. If this is your first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Esther and I make videos on how to make money online, and cryptocurrency and crypto trading is one of the things I do online to make money online. So I need to do this video for those that are having issues, that want to create multiple accounts in their Trust Wallet. So what I will do now is to open my Trust Wallet app, and I will enter my PIN. This is the second wallet I've already created. So this is my first one. So I created another one. So I will show you how you can create another one now. So all what you have to do is, when you open your Trust Wallet, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, then click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, then click on this addition sign here, and then click on create a new wallet. Then you have to enter your secret phrase. Remember that if you want to open your Trust Wallet, then they will give you some words that you have to keep, that will be your keys to your account. So that is what you will do. So what you just have to do is just click on backup manually or backup to Google Drive. So after that, you can see you just click just accept this. So you just click all this to back up your wallet now, because they want you to confirm that you are the one doing all these things, so to get your 12 words phrase. So you then click continue, and then that's all. So I'm not creating a new account. So that is the keyword you are going to get. So you have to write it somewhere, or you have to screenshot it or put it somewhere, so you won't lost the access to your account. Then you enter your phone number, and voila, that's just it. And after that, you have multiple accounts. So this account here, you can even name them. Just click on the account, go back, just click on it, click on these three dots, then you can name your account. Let me name it Esther Money. Yes. So that's it. That's my account one, my wallet one. So the second wallet I created is wallet two. So you can have multiple Trust Wallet accounts. So there's no need for you downloading another Trust Wallet app or creating another Trust Wallet app. So thanks so much for watching till this end. I will see you in my next video.